Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This is your reading for the month of April, 1 to 15, 2025. Let's take a look at your overall energy. Okay, you have 8 of Cups in upright position. I see that you are walking away to those things that no longer serve you. Parang natauhan na kayo para iwan. Siguro yung mga tao na very toxic, yung parang wala namang silbi. I mean, wala silang wala silang nabibigay na maganda sa buhay niyo, ganon. Parang iniiwan niyo na tong mga energy na ito na napaka-toxic, yung nag-i-struggle kayo dati, tapos ngayon parang natauhan na kayo to decide to let go. I also feel that magmamature na yung isip nyo, yung emotion nyo. Kaya siguro parang nafe-feel ko na natauhan na kayo. Something like that. Okay, I also feel that you're going to leave your job na napaka-toxic. Siguro nafe-feel ko na naghahanap kayo ng purpose in life. Work-life balance, ganun. Tapos hindi nyo siya makita sa current job nyo ngayon. Kaya I think you're thinking to let go of this current situation, current job na parang hindi naman nagbibigay sa inyo ng financial freedom or work-life balance. Ganun. Okay, so let's get another card. Okay, you have the Knight of Wands in upright position. Kapag nilet go mo na tong mga tao o mga bagay na nagpapasakit sa inyo, meron kayong darating agad na opportunity, mapa-love life man yan o career. Ang bilis ng horse. Ang bilis yung takbo ng love life nyo, yung karera nyo. Kasi pag let go nyo ng mga bagay na toxic, mga negative energy, biglang may papasok agad na positive energy at nag-offer sa inyo ng magandang love life, magandang career. Meron din kayong mga decision na dapat nyong bigyan ng pansin. Maganda din ang takbo ng inyong kapirahan ngayong April, pagkatapos nyo pakawalan itong mga bagay na very negative energy. So, sa pagkawalan itong negative, mayroon papasok na positive. Okay? Leo? Kuha tayo ng Mystic Forest Oracle cards from your angel. Ano ang inyong gabay for Leo this coming April 1 to 15, 2025. The pause is the shift. Your past is now behind you. All you desire is right in front of you. Pause to reconnect with your power and follow the pull of your destiny. Wow, ang ganda. Okay, the pause is the shift. So, I think tumutukoy ito dito sa 8 of Cups na you're letting go of those negative energy, negative situation, toxic relationship, toxic work, mga something negative in your life. And then, after that, all you desire is right in front of you. Follow the pull of your destiny. Kaya siguro sobrang bilis ng takbo ng inyong karera after you decide to let go of this negative energy. May papasok agad na positive. At yung sa bandang gitna dito, yun na yung transition para sa magandang destiny niyo. And sabi nga dito, your past is now behind you. Kaya hihintayin natin itong transition na ito na napakaganda. Okay, Leo? That's your reading for month of April 1 to 15. Take what's resonate and leave the rest that are not. Follow, like, comment, and subscribe.